There are plenty of videos focusing on first-time homebuyers. Undoubtedly, it's a milestone that deserves the attention to make sure you are ready for what comes your way. But what about second-time homebuyers? Well, in this video, we're going to talk to you, the second-time buyer, first-time seller, discussing what you will want to know if you're buying and selling a house on the same day. Come on in, have a seat. I'm Ben Weaver, Illinois attorney and founder of 23 Legal. I provide personal, practical, and professional legal services by guiding clients through the process of buying and selling a home throughout Chicago and its suburbs. And today, we're talking to the second-time homebuyer and what to expect when you're looking to sell your current home and buy your new home on the same day. First things first, if you're looking to buy and sell the same day, you'll want an attorney. With how much has to be scheduled between all parties, including lenders, realtors, and title companies, as well as navigating the monetary aspect, a lot of this is traditionally coordinated by the attorney in the transaction. Not having an attorney with our connections and our experience in the real estate world will make this entire process, multiple closings in one day, darn near impossible. All right, now that we have that out of the way, what can you expect when you buy and sell on the same day? Well, it's a balancing act. Flexibility is a must to get everyone on the same page. At a minimum, we must coordinate between you, your buyer, and your seller, at least 3 realtors, 2 lenders, a couple of attorneys, and a title company or 2. Also, we're focused on you, but what if the buyer of your sale must close 2 transactions on the same day? Phew, that's a lot of logistics. It should go without saying that you'll want to be as open and free as possible that day. So when do we start scheduling the closings? Well, that's done when the loans in both transactions are clear to close. If you're buying with cash or your sale is a cash purchase, then there's more flexibility. We can schedule a little earlier in the process. However, with this being a 2-for-1, we would likely wait until any loan contingency has been fulfilled in either contract before we start to schedule. Once everything is good, we'll coordinate with all parties the best time for both closings, with the sale coming first, since the funds from the sale are more than likely used for the purchase. We'll also help with the transfer and coordination of funds. Now, while we ask you to have your schedule as open and available as possible, the reality is that you'll likely not be obligated to attend the closing of your sale. We'll meet a week or so before the closing date to sign the deed and other closing paperwork so that you can focus on your move and we can take care of pretty much everything else on the closing date for your sale. Closing number 2 of the day. If you're getting a loan, you will be required to attend the closing of that purchase. The mortgage and other lender documents must be signed at the title company. Now, some attorneys choose to attend the closings remotely these days. They call in by phone or by Zoom. However, I believe attending the closing with the buyer is a valuable resource and attend the closing with you to explain all the lender and title company documents in person. The entire process will take about 3 to 4 hours from start of the sale closing to the finish of the purchase closing. And this is what I would call a normal 2-for-1 closing. But it is 2023, and what is normal anymore? What I'm saying is, maybe don't schedule the movers to start unpacking right at noon. Give us a little time to be sure everything is done and completed. Once the sale is finalized, the money has been transferred, and the purchase has been signed off on, then the house is all yours. And we're finished, and you have completed a sale and purchase all in the same day. Normally, I would then advise you to grab your favorite food and beverage and relax a little bit, but you got a new home to move into first. This is the first in a series of videos where we talk about what second-time home buyers may want to know when re-entering the real estate market. If you're a second-time buyer, first-time seller, and there's something you want to know, leave a comment, we'll cover it. Like this if you found it helpful, and subscribe to 23 Legal for more real estate law content. I'm Ben Weaver, open to taking new contracts and clients, and I'll see you in the next video.